and defend distributing like 6, 9, 6, 9, 6, 9, 6.
Hey, Evelyn. What are you working on?
I am working on my homework.
Okay. What is your homework?
It is addition and subtraction.
What are you adding and subtracting?
I am adding 3-digit numbers, which most of the time become 4 digits after you take away. Some of the subtraction is some 4 digits, some other digits.
So multi-digit.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm working on these multiplication problems at the top.
Multiplication.
Addition.
Okay. Can you tell me how you're doing one of the problems?
Yes. So with the problems here, 7 and 3, I'm just going to do these two first because I know what they are immediately. These are 10. So then you add the 6 to the 10, and it becomes a 16. So, because it's a 16, you can't put a 2-digit number in a 1-digit spot, which would be awesome if you could. So you would put a 6 below these and then put a 1 up here. So then, instead of it being 4 plus 7 plus 2, it's 5 plus 7 plus 2, or 3 plus 7 plus 4.
Oh, I have a question.
Or something like that.
So I see that one of the things you're doing is you're doing something called making tens. You're looking for the easiest numbers to group together to add, and you do those first, like you did with 7 and 3.
Yep.
Why are you starting in the ones place instead of adding the hundreds first?
Oh, so if you go the other way, like if I add 3 and 4, I know that's 7, and then I add the 5, so it's 12. Then you're gonna put a 2 here and a 1 here, but what if you don't actually need to do that later? It matters a whole lot more with subtraction, because if you're putting like, here's a good example. 385 minus 119. If you start on the left, the left, the far left, then it's gonna say 3 minus 1, which you're gonna put a 2. But the actual answer is 188, so that's not gonna work.
Because you don't know what?
You don't know if you're gonna need to take away from it so you can feed another number and make it bigger.
I don't know if you're gonna have to borrow from it.
Yeah, borrow.
Feed another number. I like that. Okay,
Feed
so
some cookies.
okay, so you're saying you got to start on the right when you're subtracting because you don't know if you're gonna have to borrow from a bigger digit or not.
And then another thing I do is when I'm adding another number to this, if there are 3 different numbers that I'm adding up together, I tend to add it to the number that will make it easiest. So I know 7 and 3 is 10, so I'm going to add it to the 2. So I'm going to make it is 10, so then it's 14. So it's 14, I'm going to add 4, I'm going to put it up here. So this is 4 and 4, so it's 8. And then you add 5 to 8, so technically you're adding 3 to 10. So it's 13. So
Why are you erasing your work when it's out to the side like that?
I have no clue. I'm just gonna keep it now. Thank you.
Okay.
So then you have the 13, so the 3, and then you carry that 1. You don't even really need to write it there. And then boom, it's 1,346.
Okay. Why did you decide to do this homework tonight?
Well, on Wednesday I do aerial silks, so I'm not gonna be here until like my bedtime. And I have on, where is my planner?
It's over on the counter.
Okay, great. Whoop. And on Wednesday, I normally would be able to do my homework, except it's October? Yeah, after fall break. Where is my bookmark? Here we go. Found it. Okay. So on Wednesdays, I normally would be able to do it, but I started up Blue Raven Singers, and it's always on Wednesdays. So I couldn't do it then, but normally I would have been able to. So I did it tonight because on Thursday and Friday I already have homework and it's past Monday.
Okay, so for someone who doesn't have a planner and doesn't sit down on the day they get their homework and plan it out, can you explain that process a little bit, what we did to decide what you're going to do when?
Well, we went to the planner for like back to school shopping, so you might want to do that. I thought about the best dates for different things, really. I think if you just grab a piece of paper and write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like all the abbreviations for them, you can just write down what you're gonna do that day, and it's pretty easy.
So, but talk about, you got all your homework for the week today, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then what did we do when you got home with your planner?
We immediately pulled out my planner, went to the week it was, and wrote it down.
What did we write down?
We wrote down when we were going to do it under the day.
We made a plan for each piece?
Mm-hmm.
Did you feel like doing homework when you got home?
No, I never feel like doing homework when I get home.
But do you think, I'm wondering if when you have a plan and you look at the week and you see how much time you have, if you see that, oh man, I really need to do some homework today, if that makes it easier for you to get started?
Not really. I normally think, okay, well, I'm gonna have to do it anyways, so I might as well just do it and not complain. And also, I love addition, so.
Did you pick the assignment you were most excited about doing to do first?
We didn't get to pick. Yeah, sorry.
When you were planning?
I was like, ooh, let's do this one. Yay.
Okay. All right, awesome. Well, I'll let you get back to it.
Thank you.